Welcome back, everyone. It's Style Helper.
This is my couch. It just came today in Amazon in this very big box. Oh my gosh, it's so rich. Hey, watch it, watch it. What's that crackling?
All right.
When I'm lonely in the dark, I know you are with me, yeah. Don't you see that I need you so much? Don't you see that I love you so much? Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, darling, I need your love. Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, darling, I need your love.
Let's make sure they're not damaged. You don't see nothing on them, Joe? Okay. You know, we gotta check out because you know they be tripping. Okay. Oh, that's the hardware. It's not much.
Where did the fronts go on?
What do you mean?
The front legs. Which ones go on the front? These ones.
The ones that stick out, but they stick out like this.
The sideways.
Yes.
Also there.
Yep.
Oh.
Okay, you guys, I'll be back when it's put together. Okay, you guys, this is my couch. It's so cute. I already know. Thank you. Right? Okay, so where I got this couch from and everything will be in the description box. I had got this couch from Amazon, you guys, under $200. Well, it was like $200 with shipping and everything, like $210 with tax. So yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.